I made this one pot shrimp and rice recipe once. Now my wife won't let me cook anything else. First, you gotta toast up some rinsed white rice in some oil, adding your favorite seasoning mix. This really brings out the flavors compared to simply cooking the rice separately in a rice cooker or just in water, for instance. Followed up with some tomato paste and grated fresh garlic. Mixing all this up, you're gonna start smelling what it's gonna taste like. Probably getting a little excited. Add in double the amount of veggie or chicken broth as you added rice, so 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of broth. Once it starts boiling, cover the pot and set a timer for 15 minutes. Lower the temperature to a simmer as well. Coat your cleaned up shrimp with the same seasoning mix and some lemon juice, mixing it really well. If you're enjoying some of these cooking tips, make sure to grab my free cooking cheat sheet below. Fun part of this easy weeknight dinner is you can play around with a bunch of different seasoning styles. After 15 minutes, fluff up your rice. Don't worry if some of it sticks to the bottom, we'll take care of that soon. Add in some frozen peas, some chopped parsley. That's really going to kick it up a notch, having those fresh herbs on hand. Then add in your uncooked shrimp to the pot, mixing everything together. Now remember I told you we're going to get that rice unstuck from the bottom of the pan? Now's the time we're going to add in some broth, or even water if you want, to deglaze it. This is a key step to enhance all the flavors that get stuck to the bottom and makes it that much tastier. Slice up the other half of your lemon and place it on top so it drips throughout the entire dish before covering the pot again for a few minutes or until your shrimp changes color to that nice opaque pearly pink